Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K40, and today I'll show you how you can change sound settings in your screen recorder. So you have to go for the tools folder, open your screen recorder. Right now tap on the right upper corner, and as you can see, when you are here we got sound source, and we can change sound settings. So we can mute microphone and system sound. We can only record sound from microphone or record the system sounds. So yeah, that's it, and basically that's all sound settings that you can find here. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.